Okay, so this is Jared. I'm still working on those J hooks, we'll call them. This is the little piece I'm going to add for my wife's squat rack height. It's just FYI, 4 5/8 of an inch from here to the low point. There you go. So I did that one. Now I'll just show you real quickly how I'm going to do. You need 2 of them, so I'll do the other one. Grab that. Again, you know, if you don't need to watch this stuff, don't watch it. There's different. I'm just doing this for people who are novices with working on stuff. Like, I mean, I'm not much more than a novice, so this is just what I figured out. Okay, so to do this, to get the right, I'm gonna have to set the phone down in a minute, set the camera down. Basically, I'm gonna line this up. I'm not gonna worry about measuring. I did this angle cut, which was, this is that yellow miter box I keep talking about, was this slot. So it goes from here to here, and you just cut there, and that's a good angle for what I want to do. Now I just need a straight cut for the bottom of it, which is easier, but it's still, this is not necessarily, I'm sure, the best tool for the job, but it's what I have, and this is how you can get it done. So let me set the phone down. What I'm going to do to just get this set, I'll just use this as my measurement, get this in place. These just, if you don't know, these are like your little clamps. You put them in there and you turn it until it presses up against the wood, and it holds it in for you. Let me set the phone over there and I'll show you. The weird thing about this is how I start the cut, because this is taller than the box. Like I said, it's not the best tool for the job, but it is what the tool that I have. I'll set this over here. Hopefully you can see okay. I got a lot of glare out here, so let's see if I can even see through this to point it in the right place. Okay, that should be all right. I don't know if I can get it to stay. Bear with me. Okay, don't anybody sneeze. Okay, so let's see, to get this, let's just turn this around. Oh, no, I'm sorry, this is the easy one. I need the flat cut. So I'm going to put the long end against the long end, line this up with this 90-degree angle. One of these in here. I'll just use my saw and get it in there. And butt up against the saw blade. Again, I'm feeling here, pushing back on these. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to lock that in. Get this out of my way. Put the other one on this side. Now, to get this started, it's a little odd, but I'm just going to kind of cut at this angle to get a notch going. And I'm going to just draw back for a few to get a notch going. Okay, there we go. Okay, as exciting as that is to watch me saw, I'm not going to continue the video. You can imagine it, me sawing. So this I'll take these when I'm done. I'll sand them, and then I'll take them back out to the garage and bolt them on to the ones I put on for myself, just at the bottom. I'll show you the finished product there, and you'll see. You may not visualize what I'm getting at because it's a little bit unusual, but I'll get it together and show you. So thanks for watching all that stuff.